Hello, and welcome to the X-Bar Research and Development Facility. We've got some pretty exciting things to show you, so we're really glad you're here. We're all set to launch the new X-Bar print module, and we wanted to give you an exclusive preview of the game-changing performance you can expect. Let's go inside. After years of development, we're very pleased to show you the new X-Bar. I know, it's a big, heavy green box, but we didn't design the X-Bar for its looks. We designed it to be the ultimate upgrade for your printing business. One of the best things about the X-Bar is that it allows you to significantly improve the quality of your outputs without having to invest in new machines. You'll also save money on downtime because the X-Bar can be back up and running in up to 2 minutes versus up to 4 hours with other print modules. So we talked about the value proposition of X-Bar. Now let's talk about performance. Compared to Versamark, the X-Bar delivers significantly higher DPI while running at higher speeds, so you can offer higher quality to your customers at a lower cost. With the X-Bar, you can deliver superior results on porous bond, high gloss coated stock, films, foils, and more using a variety of Cal Collins inks. And speaking of ink, the X-Bar uses 50% less while delivering higher quality results. This is the control center. The new X-Bar Universal Controller makes upgrading easy because it can control up to 16 X-Bar print modules, 32 Versamark printing systems, or a mixture of both. Another key benefit of the X-Bar controller is that it's similar to Kodak's 410, so there's little to no learning curve. Looks like he's setting up the X-Bar for a high-speed run right now, so you can see it in action. Let's take a look at what the X-Bar just printed at 1200 by 600 DPI. This should give you a good idea of how the X-Bar print module can help transform your current printers, save you money, and provide higher quality prints at a lower cost. In addition to quality and cost savings, superior customer service is also something you can expect with X-Bar. If you need any help with setup, training, technical difficulties, maintenance and replacement parts, or anything, our team is here to help. Well, I know you have things to do, so I just wanted to thank you for your time and let you know that we're here if you have any questions.